Hi everyone! Today I'll show you a smart strategy to optimize your app promotion budget by automatically pausing high-cost, low-engagement ads. When an ad has a high cost per install but low engagement, it means you're paying too much for results that aren't strong enough. For example, if your target CPI is $3, but an ad is spending at $6 per install with a click-through rate below 1.5%, it's a clear signal to stop wasting budget on it. A great way to handle this is by setting an automation rule that checks active ads and pauses any where CPI is above target and CTR is under 1.5%. This ensures your budget goes toward ads that actually drive installs efficiently. Here's how to quickly implement it with Birch. Step 1. Choose your ad account and apply the rule at the ads level. Add Ad Status is Active filter. Step 2. Add a pause task and apply the following conditions. CPI today is greater than target value, say $3, and CTR today is less than 1.5%. Step 3. I would set it to check every 2 hours, but you can adjust the frequency of the rule checks to your needs. Step 4. Set the rule live and Birch handles the rest. This strategy prevents wasted spend and ensures your budget is always allocated to ads that drive the best results. By automatically pausing underperforming ads, you can reallocate your budget to the ones that are actually bringing in installs at the right cost. As you could see, setting it up takes just a few clicks with Birch. Start for free and see how much more effective your campaigns become.